Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm for you 2001 Gehl 4835 SXT rubber tired skid steer loader. This unit starts and runs very good, operates the way it's supposed to. We've had it in the shop and serviced it. It's an original machine. It has been unmolested. It's not painted, messed up. There's no oil leaks on it. It does have 4,096 hours, I believe. It is a one-owner machine. It was not on a farm. It was a construction machine its whole life. But a very good running working machine. So we'll start you back here at the engine compartment, take you completely around this skid. Coming here to the back corners are nice and straight. The back grill is straight. Powered by a Deutz 3-cylinder turbo diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that whatsoever. We've done hydraulic filter, engine oil, air filters, fuel filters. Everything is changed and serviced, okay? Back door opens just the way it's supposed to. Lights all work. The only thing I can say is this gas shock is getting bad. Doesn't want to hold the back door up. There's no aftermarket welding, brakes, anything on this machine. It does have full 16.5 tires for about 40 to 50%. Still decent. Standard auxiliary hydraulics. Bucket has a very good cutting edge on it. I believe it is a 72-inch. We'll measure that and put it in the listing. Does have standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Unit is T-bar control. The Hydrolock parking brake works just the way it's supposed to. Has an almost brand new Gehl seat in it. It's in very nice shape. All the lights work. Cab is very straight. Loader arms does not have a stitch of weld on it, anything like that whatsoever. Machine, we've cleaned it up, went through it. Take you inside the cab here and show you. We grew up running Gehls here. Dad bought the first one whenever I was about 6 because I couldn't reach foot pedals in a Bobcat. And they're a nice operating machine. You have a foot throttle, auxiliary hydraulics, forward and reverse, steering, bucket and boom, 4,096 hours. All the gauges work. Knob for your lights, park brake switch, and the Hydrolock does work for the brakes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera here back over to Matt. We're going to run this machine around, show you what everything's supposed to do. watching the video. This machine starts, runs, works, does everything you ask it to do. It's a good running, working machine. It's super wet over here. We went into the pile today and pushed some dirt. Any question on this machine, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please understand we've been through this machine, serviced it. We know what it is. It's 110% ready to go to work. Not a brand new skid loader, but what do you buy in the $12,000 to $13,000 price range of the skid steer today? So if you have a question, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.